Hi everyone, welcome to Mint Canvas, where we help freelancers, creatives, and solopreneurs enhance their productivity using tools like Notion and Google Sheets. If you're a freelancer or solopreneur, I'm willing to bet that at some point you felt like you're working non-stop, but still not getting everything done. Sounds familiar? The truth is, most freelancers juggle multiple projects, clients, invoices, and tasks every day, often using different tools for each. You might have your to-dos in one app, client info in another, invoices in Excel, and maybe you're even scribbling reminders on sticky notes or on paper. This kind of workflow is not just inefficient, it's exhausting. And it leads to one big problem: time wasted. Not because you're lazy, far from it, but because your systems aren't connected. You waste time switching between apps, searching for files, chasing down unpaid invoices, or trying to remember what task belongs to which client. And the worst part? That lost time adds up. It eats into your profits, your creativity, and even your peace of mind. What you need is a way to bring all those pieces together in one place. A single source of truth where you can track your projects, manage your clients, organize tasks, follow up on payments, and even keep your brand identity details close at hand. That's exactly why a couple of years ago I decided to bring the core of my business into Notion. Now I use Notion daily to organize everything to do with my business and personal life. And for me, this decision was a real game changer. That's because now I can centralize all aspects of my workflow in one hub. I can manage my clients list and create an entire CRM system. I can organize projects, tasks, and meetings. So if you're used to Google Calendars like I was, for example, you can utilize the Notion Calendar app to integrate your Notion pages with Google Events seamlessly. You just have to click on Open in Calendar next to your tasks database and connect your Google account by clicking on Add Calendar Account. From here, you'll connect your preferred Google Calendar and start adding events. Building a specific system in Notion allowed me to collect and access my entire brand identity files. I'm talking logos, fonts, brand colors, and even my brand voice. It might seem unimportant at first, but actually having a consistent brand identity is key if you want to establish yourself and grow your business. I personally struggle with social media because although I recognize how important they are, I also feel the pressure of putting out good quality content to nurture my audience and grow my business. That's why I created an integrated social media manager inside my Freelance Dashboard, so I can manage social media and keep my posting routine clear and easy to implement. No more guesswork and random posting. The Freelance Dashboard I designed is minimal and intuitive because systems like this should work for you, not the other way around. And it's customizable to fit different workflows. I built it for me initially, and then I have adapted it specifically for freelancers and small business owners who want to work smarter. If you're interested, I made an entire walkthrough of the template so you can learn about all its features and how it can help you. If it sounds like something you would love to try, I've made a ready-to-use template. No need to build anything from scratch, just duplicate, customize a bit, and you're good to go. The link is in the description below. Feel free to check it out. I believe that people who work independently would really benefit from a well-designed and centralized system to keep their business running smoothly and to avoid switching between multiple platforms. I plan to make a tutorial on how to build one from scratch, so let me know in the comments if you're interested and what features are the most relevant to you. Next week, we'll be diving into the 5 essential elements every freelancer should track to stay productive and profitable. Until then, thank you so much for watching and happy planning.